Finding it difficult to trade the boom and crash pairs? Try this trading indicator. It will help you trade spikes and also catch the trend with ease. Come on, let me show you how it works. Now, to set it all up is really simple, and you can download the files for free. Links will be in the description section. Also, feel free to join my Telegram channel to download other free trading tools. To install or add the indicator to your MT5 platform, click the File menu, then click Open Data folder. Now double-click on the MQL5 folder to open it. Finally, open the Indicators folder. This is where we will copy and paste the indicators files. Now we will browse to the location of the files and extract them. After the files have been successfully extracted, copy the files into the indicators folder we opened earlier. Or you can select all the files together and drag and drop them into the indicators folder. That is, if you have the windows opened side by side like mine. We will do the same with the templates file. Select the file, copy, and now go back to your MQL5 folder and locate the Profiles folder. You will find the Templates folder. Double-click on it to open. Now paste the template file you copied here. That's it. You can now close all the open windows. Now go to the indicator section on the MT5 platform, right-click on it, and select Refresh. You will now see the files in the indicator section. To add to the charts, you can click on the file and then drag and drop it onto the chart. This indicator can be used on the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute time frames. You can also try on other time frames to see which one works best for you, but I will be using it on the 1-minute time frame for this demonstration. Also, the time frame you use will determine how long the signals generated will last. The smaller the time frame, the shorter the signal lasts. And if you use, let's say, the 15-minute time frame, the signal could be valid for at least an hour. So now, all you need to do is wait for the green arrow to appear below the candle. And for the indicator at the bottom of the chart, the blue moving average has to cross the red moving average, and the blue arrow should appear for a buy. The last indicator can serve as a confirmation signal and also signal when to take profits. Before you enter a sell position, it will display a small red dot above the candle, sometimes accompanied by an arrow indicator. When both appear together, it indicates strong confirmation for that direction, which means if you are currently in a buy position, it's best you close your positions. The opposite applies for buy positions. The indicator features an alert system that notifies you of new signals. That's all for this video. Be sure to check the links in the description box to join my Telegram channel, where you can download the indicators used here and other free trading tools. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.